Hello, baby. Bleep. Bleep. Hello, baby. Hey. Bleach is still running like her mother. So here's all the bigger cat.
Utwi. Utwi.
Hello. Hello. MM. Hello. Romeo. 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 Migo. Many bruise. Many bruises on face. Cold. Cold. Cold.
Mimi. Mimi. Hello, Mimi.
So Mimi, the cat that been hospitalized with Oreo.
Mimi. May. May.
Hello. Cool. Hello. A.
Misaw.
MM. Bleach. Hello, baby. Baby. So Bleach is little wild.
Hello. Didi. Didi.
This is Yuji, the crying baby Yuji. Hello. This is the big baby back. Eh? Let's tackle one eye. This Kyo and this is Zina. Her family outside. This is a big sister. Oh. Hey? Hello. The boss. This is Amber. The nursing dad. Chim. Jimbo. Jim. Oh, hello. Hello. Hey. Oh, Jim. I put something on the breaker because some cat playing the cord, so it's not safe. Hello, Jim. Hello. Hello, Jim. Oh. Jim. Beautiful Jim. Beautiful. Jim. Hi. Look like Stanley. Beautiful. Shh. Jim. Beautiful Jim. He gained weight after the neuter. Baby. This is Coco. Woo, BFF. So other cats, they're on the pasture, they don't care. Hey, Jim.
Hey.
Beautiful Jim. 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 Hello. This is Ponyo. Woo. Hello. pen, pen, pen. The hammock have this wire, so I'm very sure they will not chew the wire. That's why it's I made it wire, not cloth. Shh.
Jam jam.
Okay, so let's go out. Migo, no tail. Okay na. Moy. Light. And here's all the kitten that I still have. Little golden. So look at her eyes. These two. This is Oreo. Look at their face. That one is a little bad. So it's very take time that cold to disappear. This one. Look at the eyes, watery eyes. That's Oreo. And this one also, but he's sleeping, so can't see the face. So it really takes time for them to recover from the cold. It keep coming back, but not that bad like before. Oh, so that's why I opened the windows here, and the windows there, it's very open now. So they have they need open air. My Okay, so let's go here. So there is no water here. The water gun, the flood gun. This is Ocean, the big cat. Hello, Angel. Angel. Angel's paw. Shh. Hi, Angel. Look like Mama. And this is Bowlen, another big cat. Shh, light. And that's Stanley. Stanley is always away. Stanley. But he also gained weight. But Angelus is little thick. Little thick Angelus. The face too. And especially the paw. The paw. They are very big now. Bigger than their mother. Especially this one. Says Angelus. Beautiful Angelus. Hey. Beautiful. This is Angelus. Fat paw. And this one is big paw because he is a big cat. Well, the eyes is beautiful. Blue. Light blue. Ocean. Hey, Ocean. Angelus face, chubby paw. Hey. These two big cat, beautiful cat. They can't be with the other because they not yet neutered, and they will make the girls pregnant there. Angelo, so beautiful. Gel, 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 gel. Ocean. So the other one is very sleeping, deep sleep. Hello. So let's go out. I'll show you the big guy here. Hello, puppy. Oh, he's waiting food, but later. He's the big guy. The big guy. He's the big guy. It's very big. I weigh him. So I thought my weighing scale is broken, but he gained weight. He is 5.10 kilo now. He gained weight after the. I show you the. They have the here. It still have the thread here. Very big. Very big. It's so bright here, so I cannot really see the screen. Very big guy. I will let him go if this is totally healed. I will make sure he's totally healed before I let him go, because I don't like this to reopen again. Look, 5.10 kilos, big. He is the biggest cat here. Look at the size. Oh my god, that's really big. And this is very sweet. He is very sweet. His name is Bowie. Bowie. His name Bowie. Bowie. Okay. I still have some water here. And there is a cat here. Let's see. I'm not sure if the cat is here. Oh, no cat here now. Hello. Yeah. He's waiting for food, so let's give him some dog food. Again. Pregnant. She's pregnant. Here's the water. And I don't need boots now. Sorry, the view is not really good. Look at hello. Here's the kitten, the sibling of Sina. So look at them. They are very good shape. More good shape than my kitten inside. Round. Very round. So I feel little jealous. They are living here outside, but they are more look healthy than my kitten inside. So this is the mama, but it's still muddy here, muddy. And here's the two babies. This is Elmo. Elmo is very hyper, and the one is soft type. I show you what I show you what he did to him. Anyway, he look like Parrot now. Look. Look at his forehead. Look like Parrot now. I think too much play bite by this. Where? Here. Here. Too much play bite the forehead. So some fur. Gone. So he look like Parrot. Where's the Parrot kitten? Hello. Let's put it there. Look like Parrot now. Look at the fur and the. That's funny, but we feel little sorry to the kitten, but at least it's just playing, not fighting. This one very hyper. I put them VCO, so they smell good. This one Elmo is thin fur, so very economy on oil. But that one is little thick fur, so I use more oil. Let's see the look like Parrot forehead. Where? Where? Sorry, can't see. Hello. Look at the forehead. Hello. My SpeedyBooBoo is look like Parrot now. Okay. So it's playtime, so let them play. Mama is always waiting for food, but already gave food. And this one too, being choosy, pregnant. Maybe she don't like the cat food. The big guy. He is so big, so the cage is very small for him. I cannot add additional cage because there's no place. Hello. She have some skin allergy. I think she don't like the dog food, so I will give maybe the food that I cook. Okay, bye bye.